Stewy and Emery are going to Krka National Park outside of Split, Croatia to see the famous Skradinski Buk waterfalls. Cascading waterfalls are stunning and well worth a visit. Stewy recommended. We're at Krka National Park.
Yep.
And we're following our guide to the restrooms. And then he's going to give us a little overview of the park. And then we're on our own for a couple hours, which is great.
Right.
Go find the waterfalls.
Yep.
And you have your first chance to see the waterfall. After that, we start a little walking tour and make our way towards the wooden footpath, this one. And once we're on the wooden footpath, it gets quite simple. The rule is follow the wooden footpath.
That is so gorgeous, isn't it?
I know. We'll get you a little baseball cap at the bottom, at that where that area is. Look at that beautiful pink tree over there. See, our guide is good. He knows where it's not crowded to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, this isn't his first rodeo.
Right.
Right?
Right.
A little church over there. How cute is that?
On the edge of the plateau is the viewpoint. Restrooms are that way.
Okay.
Okay? When you come out of the restroom, you just go forward. If you need to use the restroom, use it now.
Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is amazing.
Oh, this angle. Gorgeous.
Right, like everywhere you look, it's gorgeous. Hey, Lauren. We just got our beers.
Our beers and our water after, what, half a mile, I guess, through the beautiful park.
And you can't tell on the video,
Right.
but I am absolutely dripping in sweat.
Yeah. Cheers. We both are. It's 96 degrees here. The waterfalls do make it a little cooler in certain spots, but it's 96 degrees.
Boiling. Well, at least we had a decent breeze here.
It feels good.
It was really bad for a while there.
Krka National Park was used as a filming location for Game of Thrones. It was the backdrop to numerous outdoor scenes when it was used as Westeros.
I think Stewy is already out there waiting for us. We got a hike back that's going to be kind of strenuous. So we prepared with a couple cold beers. It's 90 plus degrees, 96 last time we checked the weather. And so we're mentally preparing ourselves for the hike back up from the top. Right, Stewy? We're going to sign off from the falls here.
I am so beautiful.
So beautiful.
I could stay here for a long time.
Yeah. Well, like everywhere we've been, we need like a day
longer,
to truly experience it. It's been rush, rush, rush.
Right. Everything feels like a rush.
Yeah, rush, rush,
So
rush.
now we know we need to come back
Right.
on our own.
Right.
So we get to see a little glimpse of everything.
Yep.
This is absolutely amazing.
Beautiful.
You get that nice little splash of breeze
Yeah,
from
there's
the
like a
falls.
cold breeze coming off the water.
Gotta go.
Let's go. Gotta go, go, go.
Got your water?
Stay on schedule. Yep, in my pocket. It's warm now.
Yeah, at least it's wet. I'm glad I got my feet wet. That felt good.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off because we got the climb. Whoa, should we go over there? This is absolutely beautiful here. Absolutely beautiful. A lot of people, but beautiful.
Yeah, we need to come when the cooler weather and the kids are back in school.
Yep, that's the key. Not summer vacation. Lessons
Did we
learned.
mention it was 96 degrees here?
Yeah. Well, maybe 92 by now, but still
Yeah.
very humid. And we're from Florida.
Right.
It's killing us, so you know it's bad.
When we returned from our tour, we were walking from the ship to Old Town Split to see the Diocletian's
What was our
palace
bus?
area
8?
and have a bite to eat. After our excursion to Krka National Park, we decided to walk the short distance from the ship to Old Town Split. The waterfront is full of outdoor bars, restaurants, and shops. We entered through the brass gate and into the cellars of Diocletian's palace. The cellars are another Game of Thrones shooting location, and where Queen Daenerys Targaryen kept her dragons. We emerged from the cellars into Peristyle Square, the central plaza of the town of Split, and part of Diocletian's palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We ran into our new cruise friends and headed straight for the Game of Thrones souvenir store. After that, we set out to find the museum, but were so hungry we decided to skip it in search of food. A random turn through the narrow streets led us to a wonderful discovery, and we were so happy, especially Emery.
All right, we are in Split in the palace area. It's so cute, and it's amazing that this palace, ancient palace.
Diocletian Palace.
Yeah. So I got my hat. We went to the Game of Thrones store. We're going to go to the Game of Thrones Museum next. And we found the perfect Mexican tuna right here. Who thought in Split that we'd be having Mexican food, but anyway, so cheers.
Okay, we reloaded on the margaritas, and Stewy ordered the chicken quesadilla. It looks very delicious. You want to take a bite of it and tell me how it is? Oh, I think you need to dip it in that sauce, Stewy.
I put it on there.
Oh, you did? Is it spicy?
I don't know what that is, but it's spicy. Put a little on.
Oh, good. There's a guy over here in the corner photobombing us.
What do you have, honey?
I have the wet burrito, and with the rice and beans on the side. It looks delicious. I can't wait to dig in. All right.
After a wonderful meal and drinks, it was time to get back to our favorite place on the ship. Leaving port in the evening is always such a magical experience. Tomorrow, we'll wake up in Kotar, Montenegro, and take another exciting shore excursion, this time by speedboat to the famous Blue Cave with other stops. Don't miss our next episode and experience all the sights with us.